If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just gotta...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Johnaya, and today we're going to be doing a press-on nail haul. Very different now. But y'all, I'm obsessed with these press-ons. I got them all from the same girl. Her name is Nails by Dom on Instagram, and I'll link her page and everything, website, everything down below. Let's jump right into it. First, I got these. I'll link the names and prices of all the nails on the screen somewhere. For the size and show, she has a size chart on her website and shows you how to do it and everything. You basically take a tape measure and measure your nail. It's not hard at all. All my nails I got in the size medium, but depending on the style, I discovered that I need a small, like more wider sets that's not so like narrow. I need a small. So let's just jump right into it. First, I got these, and y'all, I love these. Like, look at them. They're so perfect. And when I say her nails are adorable, like, I wore some for my birthday in December, and I had them on for like 2 weeks, and like they only came off because I literally took them off. Other than that, I could have kept them on for even longer. So I just know we're in quarantine. Some places still are. The nail salon still ain't open, so I wanted to let y'all know where to get some press-ons. And like, look, she gives you everything. The hand sanitizer, the clean your wipe to clean your nails off, nail glue, the wooden stick to push your cuticles back. Y'all should even give you directions if you don't know. I got these next. These are like blue glitter ones. I hope you can see it. I love them. And like, I have so many. I only tried 2 pairs so far because I really love press-ons. I wear press-ons more than I go to the nail salon, even before quarantine. And I usually wear Kiss ones. They're from the drugstore, obviously. So I usually wear those. But then I found her, and she black, and I was like, is she affordable? Yes. And look how different her styles are. Like, these are like a cracked looking pair. And like I said, I'll edit and put all the names and all the prices on the screen. These are like, and these shapes and sizes, this is where I get a small one because they're not as tapered. So I have those. Then I have those same ones in pink. And y'all, you can reuse these nails. These are the nails I wore for my birthday, and look, they're still in good condition. Like I said, I wore them for like 2 weeks. As long as you don't mess them up, you can wear them again. Just fall off the glue and everything. And oh, that was the last pair to show you. Y'all, I really want y'all to shop with her. Like, she black and she young, and she doing it. Y'all have to go shop with her. And she does customized sets. It's just a bunch on there. And if you follow her on Instagram and stay on the lookout, she does a lot of sales and stuff. Like, none of these, I haven't paid more than $20 for a set. I usually always catch them on sale. That's why I have so many. But still, they're still affordable. And they're very much worth the price. Like, support black women, okay? Support her. Like, and professionalism. I got these last year, so her packaging has changed to this, and the shipping is fast. And like I said, you take care of these, you can wear them multiple times. Like, it's all about how you handle it, honestly. But I think I'm gonna try these ones next. I'm not going nowhere, but I still want my nails done. But that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. One more video on this shirt. Y'all already know, like, comment, and subscribe to. And turn your post notifications on.